Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to start exercise question number 1 of problem set 1, chapter number 1, Roman numerals. In last video I have explained you rules for writing Roman numerals. Today we solve problem set 1, question number 1. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. Now let's start to write Roman numerals according to the rules. Now we are starting with 1. 1 is written as I, and I can be repeated up to 3 times. So 2 will be written as 2 times I. 3 is written as 3 times I. For 4 we cannot write 4 times I. So 4 as 5 minus 1, that is V represents 5 and I represents 1. So here 4 is represented as I V. 5 is written by V. 6 is 5 plus 1 plus symbols. Whatever we have to adding into 5, we have to write it on the right because 5 is the greater digit and the smaller digit will be on right. And we will be add to it is going to be 6. So 6 is V and I on the right. 7 is 5 plus 2. Since it is plus, we will put the smaller number on the right of the greater number. So 7 is V and 2 times I on the right side of V. 8 is 5 plus 3. Value of V and 3 times I on the right side give us 8. 9. We have to write 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 will be Ix. And 10 we have a symbol X. 11 means 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 means X and I on the right of X. 12 means 10 plus 2, X and 2 times I. 13 means 10 plus 3, X 3 times I. 14 as X and value of 4. Value of 4 is IV. So 14 as XIV. 15 XV. 16 10 plus 6, that is XVI. 17 10 plus 7, X, V and 2 times I. 18 10 plus 8, X, V and 3 times I. 19 X and value of 9. Value of 9 is Ix. So 19 as XIX. 20 means 2 times X. Now see the question number 2. Write the following numbers using international number. These are the Roman numbers. We have to write in international number. You know the international number. Usually we use 0, 1, 2, 3. In that way we have to write numbers. Now this is the symbol of V. V represents 5. Second is V and then 2 times I written on the right of V. So add the value of both I to the value of V. So 5 plus 2, 7. Next is X. This is the symbol for 10. Next is X and then 3 times I on the right side of X. That is 10 plus 3, 13. Next is XIV. Here I is written on the left of V. That means 5 minus 1, 4 and 10 plus 4, 14. Next is XVI. Here I is written on the right side of V. 5 plus 1, 6 and 10 plus 6, 16. Next is X, V and 3 times I. 3 times I on the right side of V. That means 5 plus 3, 8 and 10 plus 8, 18. Next is IX. I is written on the left of x. So it means 10 minus 1, 9. After that, see the question number 3. Fill in the empty boxes. Here, number is given in word. We have to write in Roman numerals. And where Roman numerals is given, we have to write in words. See, first is 3. So, how we write 3 in Roman numerals? 3 times I. So, here we write 3 times I. Second one is V and then 3 times I is given on the right of V is 5 and 3 times I is 3 times I means 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So here we have to write 8 in words. Next is 6. 6 means 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 means V and I on the right side of V. Next is X 2 times I, that is 10 plus 2, 12. So here we write 12 in words. Next is 15. 15 means 10 plus 5 and we have a symbol X for 10 and V for 5. So XV is 15. Now the last one is XIX. Here I is written on the left of X, that is 10 minus 1, 9 and 10 plus 9 is 19. So here we have to write 19 in words. Okay. Now see the next question. Question number 4. Write the numbers using Roman numerals. Here we have to write Roman numerals. So first is 9. How can we write 9? 9 is 10 minus 1. So if we write I on the left of X, it gives us 9. So here we write I and X. Next is 2 and 2 is very easy. 2 times I. Next 17. 17 means 10 plus 7 and 7 is 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 means V and 2 times I on the right of V. So 17 is X, V and 2 times I. Next is 4. 4 means 5 minus 1. So 4 is IV. 11. 11 means 10 plus 1, that is X, I. Next is 18. 18 means 10 plus 8 and 8 means 5 plus 3. So 18 is X, V and 3 times I on the right of V. Now see the next question. In the table below, each given numbers is written in international numerals and then again in Roman numerals. If it is written correctly in Roman numerals, put tick in the box under it. If not, put cross and correct it. First, given international numbers and Roman numerals. If international number is correctly written in Roman numerals, we have to put tick in the box. And if it is wrong, then put cross and correct it. Now see the first. First is 4 times I. It is right? No, it's wrong. So we have to write value. Right value is 4. So first we cross this and then write the right value. Next is 6. Here 6 written correctly. So put the tick. Next is 8. Here 2 times I is on the left of X. Here they subtract 2 times I from X. It is the right way? No, we cannot write I 2 times on left of X. So right way is 5 plus 3 equal to 8. That is V and 3 times I. Next is 16. 16 means 10 plus 5 plus 1. So it's correct. Next is 15. This written 3 times 5. As the rule, we cannot repeat V more than once. So it's wrong. Right is X and V. Okay. Now here we have completed a chapter number 1. Now I am giving you homework for practice. See, question number 1. Write the international numerals for the following Roman numerals. Here Roman numerals is given. You have to write it in international number. Second is state true or false. Here you have to given international and Roman numerals. Both are given. Just you have to say it is right or wrong. Next is write in Roman numerals. Here international number is given. You have to write it in Roman numerals. So you have to maintain the books for problem sets and homework. Okay, thank you.